Okay, deliveries. A courier for you and me. Text 848-492-8067. Text a picture of what you need. Move. All cape. Deliveries and beyond. Deliveries all day long. Convenient and trustworthy. 508-492-8067.
8067.
From small to large, we'll get it there. Whether it's a refrigerator or a chair. Text 508-492-8067. Text. Please text all cape and send us a picture of what items you need shipped, and we will give you a quote. Thanks.